If you're learning Photopea and want to move around your canvas quickly, this video is going to help a lot. Today, I'm showing you how to pan in Photopea using two simple methods so you can zoom in, work in detail, and move around your design without getting stuck. This is one of the most useful basics to know, especially if you're editing images, creating graphics, or working on a larger project. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy Photopea tips. Alright, let's jump right in. The first method is the standard hand tool. On the left side of Photopea, look for the hand tool icon. It usually looks like a little hand, and it's used specifically for moving around your workspace. You can click on it directly, or if you want a faster shortcut, just press H on your keyboard. That will select the hand tool immediately, even if you were using another tool before. Once the hand tool is active, move your mouse over the canvas, click and hold, then drag in any direction. You'll see the canvas slide around with your movement. This lets you pan left, right, up or down depending on where you want to focus. If you're zoomed in close, this is especially helpful because it allows you to reach different parts of your image without changing the zoom level. Now, let's talk about the fastest method, which is the Spacebar shortcut. This is probably the easiest and most efficient way to pan in Photopea because you don't even need to switch tools permanently. No matter what tool you're using, whether it's the brush tool, eraser tool, text tool, or anything else, just press and hold the spacebar on your keyboard. As soon as you hold spacebar, your cursor will temporarily change into a hand icon. That means Photopea is ready for panning. While still holding the spacebar, click and drag anywhere on the canvas to move around your document. When you're done, simply release the spacebar and Photopea will instantly take you back to the tool you were using before. That makes it a super fast workflow shortcut, especially when you need to switch back and forth a lot. If you work in Photopea regularly, I definitely recommend getting used to the spacebar method. It saves time, keeps your workflow smooth, and helps you stay focused on editing instead of constantly changing tools. The hand tool is great when you want to stay in navigation mode for a while, but the spacebar shortcut is the one most people use because of how fast it is. So just to recap, you can pan in Photopea in two ways. Use the hand tool by selecting it from the toolbar or pressing H, then click and drag to move around. Or for the quickest option, hold down the spacebar, drag to pan, and release it to return to your previous tool. If this video helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more Photopea tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.